Control number 40334. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Lorna Valenciano. I'm 41 years old. I'm a single mom. I have 3 kids. The eldest is 17. My daughter is 14, and then the youngest is 11. I have 4 brothers, and I have 3 sisters. I'm a second in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm graduate in 2 years, computer secretary, in Cainta Catholic College,
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
to provide my financial to my kids.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
I worked before in Malaysia, and 3 years, more than 3 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
I don't have, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes,
What can you do for babies and children?
I take a bath. I feed the baby.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I do sewing. I do cooking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I cook. I cook Chinese soup, steamed fish, and Filipino foods. I cook adobo and chop suey.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm the honest, hardworking.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I say sorry for them.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They have a good family. She treat me as a good family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Ma'am and sir, if you choose me, I do my job, and I finish my contract in 2 years.